If you want to learn how to save thousands of dollars on your flood insurance, check this video out.
And you don't have to switch to Geico. Josh McConnell with Keller Williams and David Watson with Mappus Insurance. And as a resident of Isle of Palms, I'm freaking out about the new flood maps that are coming out. All I know is I keep hearing this climate change thing is happening and the ocean's rising, and I live a few blocks back and I'm terrified it's going to price me out and I'm going to have to move inland. And I like it out here on our little island and all the Charleston barrier islands. So what's going to happen?
Yeah. So those are a lot of valid concerns, and hopefully what I can do with this little segment right here is just kind of give you a little bit of pause on that. What we're seeing across the board for the most part is positive movement. And what I mean by that is that the base flood elevations are actually dropping for a majority of the properties that we're looking at. And when the base flood elevation drops, most likely the premium's going to follow. And we've actually seen some crazy situations like out on Folly on a deal that we worked on together where we saw a property going from a VE 17 all the way down to X. So that means your premium goes from close to 10K down to $450. Doesn't make sense, but hey, it's here.
It makes sense if Al Gore was lying to us all this time, I think. So I think that's the moral of this story is Al Gore lied and our insurance is going down and we can all stay on the island. But I think in all seriousness, like what it does is, I mean, it improves the ROI for investors out here.
Yep.
I think there's a good chance, and you can speak to it, but I think there's a good chance that they realize that this makes no sense with water levels rising and elevations going down, and they reverse this at some point, right?
Yeah, that is something that we could definitely see, and there are parts with this flood map change where they are doing exactly that. On the last time they changed it a couple years ago, where they're correcting themselves. But again, for the most part, we're seeing that positive movement, and what comes along with that when you're seeing those drastic changes is they're going to be closely monitoring it over the next couple years and see if they made a mistake and they need to make updates to raise these base flood elevations again, which would in turn raise your premium again.
So climate change is reducing my flood premiums as expected. So if I want to save money, I'm just clicking the link below and you're going to give me a quote?
Yeah, if you click learn more, you're going to fill out a few pieces of contact information, and myself or one of our agents at our agency will reach out to give you an evaluation of what's going on with your property.
For more information, our contact information is at the end of this video, and feel free to reach out. Available for questions.
Maybe do a, like, after the outro video,
Yeah.
do like outtakes.
Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
I think between all of them,
Yeah.
we can make ourselves look not
'Cause-
terrible.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a good
Dude, insurance is so fucking boring. I really make this. That's going in the video.
There you go.
I'm psychotic.
All right, so
We're
yeah.
recording?
Yeah.
Okay.